back with the second part of the video to my previous video about the Linux commands. So like we discussed, we were able to create a folder, the example folder. We were able to create all the files using a command touch. We were able to update the files content. We were able to list all our files. We were able to read or see what are the real contents inside of files. And now we would like to move the files. If I want to move a file to another folder or another location, what would I do? Okay. For example, let's create another folder. mkdir. I remember this is a command that we learned in a previous video. mkdir copy folder, for example. Okay, once I hit enter, I will see another folder created here with the same name. Exactly. So a folder is created here. So a copy, like everybody knows, when I want to copy a file from one location or one folder location into another folder location, that's what I mean to say copy. So the command for that is cp copy. It's just cp copy. What am I copying? Let's say I'm gonna copy this test file into the copy folder. Okay, so it is copy the instruction, and then it is this test, this test file, the source, and then what is the destination? Okay, what are we putting it to? Copy folder. So the destination is copy folder. So if I give only the folder, it means it's gonna copy this file into this one. What do we mean by copy? When we say copy, it means we just duplicate. We're not gonna remove the source because it's just copy. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter. So what I did is I copied the file. Nothing has changed here because I didn't do anything. I didn't make any change in under this example. I just copied this file folder, file into the copy folder. I can see what is inside the copy folder. For example, ls copy folder. If I do what is inside it, or I can go to copy. I can go to the copy folder, cd change directory into copy folder, and then I can say ls minus la. You will see that this file, the same content, the same size, 40, and also 40 here. Okay, I want to go back. I want to go back to the previous location, which is I can do minus means go back to the previous. It's just cache, and then it's remembering the previous location. So if I do cd minus, it's going to take me to example. Okay, I'm in example now. But I want to move. How about if I want to move? I want to move means delete this current, remove it from this current, and then just move it to the other one. So I will the command is move. Okay, move, and the source. What is the source? Test1, for example. Test1. What is the destination? Copy folder, and then test1. No, test1. Right, from the source, and this is the instruction. Move what? This file where? To this location under this name. So it's gonna move this file into here. Okay, actually I do not have to also type it. I don't think so. I have to give the name, because I'm going to just moving it. Let's see what it's gonna say. Okay, it just moved it. Oh, let's also see, look at that. That test one is also gone. For sure it is inside this copy folder. I can do -ls without going to the changing the directory of into the copy folder. I can just look the contents of the folder. Copy here. It's going to show me here 2 files are here. So that's a move. I just moved. What we previously we used to do a drag something like that. Remember? And or we can also right click, cut or something if it's in a window. I think it is here. Do I have it cut here? Yeah, I can have cut. Yeah. Yep. Cat is not working. Cat is more with contents, not with the files here in the Linux, in the Mac OS. So yeah, I am able to move. Move is what? Remove the current and then move it to the other. But copy is just copy, duplicate, and don't delete don't remove the source. But I want to also remove it. Like I said, if I do copy, and it means, oh, you know what, the source is no more used because I already have the duplicate location in other location, and I can remove it in the one that I already had, which means the test is in the copy directory, copy folder, so I can remove it. How do I do that? rm remove. How do I? Okay, remove what? The test file, because like I said, I already have it. I already have a duplicate file of that in other location, which is under a copy folder. So if I do rm test.txt, it's gonna remove, or it's gonna delete the test file. If I hit enter, you also see this one will go away. Okay, hit enter. There you go. That one is gone. I guess yeah, I can remove it again, the other files, this file, then it will go away again, because I don't have any content. I don't need to have a duplicate of it, so I can always remove it. See, that's gone. And remove, we were removing a file, and then that's why we were using rm the file. But when we're removing a folder, that's a little bit different. rm, and then you know a directory is expected to have another directory or another files. So when you tell your computer to remove them, it will get confused. It will, what am I removing? I can't remove it. Why? Because there's children inside it, which means you have to remove them recursively. That's why we do -r in when removing a folder. So rm -r copy folder. If I do this, it means everything will go away. I mean to say the copy folder, including all the contents inside it. So copy rm -r copy folder. I will see it will go away. There you go. This one is gone. So I don't have any contents. I can also make sure here. Sorry. Let me see. -ls -la. It's gone. I don't see anything. Okay. This is a good stuff. Like I said. Here we used to do right click, create a folder, and then when we want to remove it, we right click, move to trash, or delete in a Finder or in a Windows or something. But I was doing everything here in this command. I don't have to go here. I don't have to go another. I don't have to open another application or editor. I don't have to do a lot of clicks. Here I just have to type, It's easy, simple, and quick and fast. I think this is good also for now, and I may I'll bring more Linux terminals that would help us in our day-to-day base and to make our life easier. But for now, this is it. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave me a comment if you need any other if you have any questions, if you have any comments. Just don't hesitate to leave any constructive comments in the comment below. Yeah, again, thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.